Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Dixie Chopper Deck Belt is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining the optimal performance and longevity of your zero-turn mower, ensuring that your lawn is always impeccably manicured with every pass. This vital part, often overlooked, directly impacts the cutting quality, the mower's efficiency, and can even prevent costly damage to other parts of the machine if it's of high quality and fits perfectly. Choosing the right belt means fewer interruptions, a cleaner cut, and a more enjoyable mowing experience, making it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner or professional landscaper who relies on their Dixie Chopper for pristine results. Number 5. Lawn Mower Deck Belt 58X130. Introducing a high-quality deck belt designed to keep your mower running smoothly. It's built for durability and flexibility. This belt offers excellent dimensional stability and high cut resistance. You can expect a longer lifespan compared to standard belts. Engineered for high flexibility, it effectively prevents stretching and breakage. This ensures reliable performance when you need it most. It serves as a direct replacement for OEM parts from Encore, Dixie Chopper, Dayco, Yates, and Goodyear. Check the part numbers for compatibility. This belt is specifically designed to fit Dixie Chopper 60 ZTR and 60 Hydro ZTR models from various years. It also fits 60 XXW series decks. Enjoy easy installation and dependable performance with this essential mower component. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your lawn equipment. What we like. This belt offers exceptional durability with high flexibility and resistance to cuts. If you're looking for a belt that can withstand tough conditions and last longer, this is a great choice. It's ideal for users who demand reliability and reduced downtime on their Dixie Chopper 60 ZTR mowers from 1995 to 1999. What people say. This belt is a perfect fit for my Dixie Chopper. It holds up well and has a good amount of grip. The belt is made of durable material and has lasted longer than other belts I've used. Number 4. Ajanta 58x115 Replacement Belt 2006 B112R. Introducing the Ajanta OEM Replacement Belt, designed for optimal performance and durability. This belt ensures your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. It is perfectly compatible with Dixie Chopper Magnum, Iron Eagle, Classic, and Silver Eagle models featuring a 50-inch deck. Experience a seamless fit and reliable operation. This belt directly replaces the Dixie Chopper OEM part number 2006 B112R. You can trust it to meet the original specifications for your machine. With a precise length of 115 inches and a width of 5/8 inches, it's engineered for a perfect fit. This ensures maximum contact and power transfer. This is a high-quality replacement deck belt, built to last. It provides the robust performance you need for demanding tasks. Crafted with quality and precision, this belt is proudly made in India. We are committed to delivering excellent products for your needs. What we like. This is a direct replacement belt specifically designed for Dixie Chopper Magnum, Iron Eagle, Classic, and Silver Eagle models with a 50 deck. If you have one of these specific models and need a reliable, no-fuss replacement, this belt made in India is a solid option. It ensures compatibility and proper fit for your mower. What people say. This belt is a perfect fit for my Dixie Chopper. It holds up well under heavy use and has not shown any signs of wear. The belt is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. Number 3. Dixie Chopper B97 Wrapped Engine Belt. Ensure your lawn mower runs smoothly with this high-quality wrapped engine belt. It's designed for durability and performance, offering a reliable replacement part. This belt is engineered for a precise fit, compatible with a wide range of Dixie Chopper models from 2011 through 2018. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's the right part for your mower. Sourced directly from the original manufacturer, you can trust the quality and consistency of this part. It's made from robust materials to withstand demanding use. Replacing your old belt is straightforward with this part. It's sold individually, making it a convenient solution for your maintenance needs. This is the B97 Wrapped Engine Belt, replacing Dixie Chopper part number 2010 B97W. It's the perfect solution for keeping your mower in top condition. Crafted with high-quality materials, this belt is built for longevity. It's designed to handle the rigors of lawn mowing, ensuring dependable operation season after season. What we like. This wrapped engine belt is constructed from durable, high-quality materials for longevity. If you own a variety of Dixie Chopper Magnum or Excalibur models from recent years, this belt offers broad compatibility. It's a good choice for those who need a robust belt for their specific, often newer, mower configurations. What people say. The belt is a perfect fit and works great on my Dixie Chopper. This belt is exactly what I needed for my mower. It was easy to install and has performed flawlessly so far. Number 2. Dixie Chopper Silver Eagle 60 Deck Belt 2006 B130R. Ensure your mower is always ready for action with this high-quality replacement deck belt. It's designed for optimal performance and durability. Specifically crafted to fit Dixie Chopper Classic, Silver Eagle, and Excalibur models with a 60-inch deck. This belt offers a perfect fit for seamless operation. This belt directly replaces the OEM part number 2006 B130R. You can trust it to meet the original specifications for your equipment. Measuring 133 inches in length and 5/8 inches in width, it ensures precise engagement with your mower's pulleys. Experience smooth and efficient cutting. Built to withstand demanding use, this belt is made from robust materials. It's designed to last, providing reliable service season after season. Don't let a worn-out belt compromise your lawn care. Replace it with this dependable option and restore your mower's peak cutting performance. What we like. This is an OEM replacement belt designed for Dixie Chopper Classic, Silver Eagle, and Excalibur models with a 60 deck. If you have one of these models and prefer an exact fit with the original specifications, this belt is a perfect match. Its 133 length ensures it's suited for those specific 60 deck applications. What people say. This belt is a perfect fit for my Dixie Chopper. The belt is made of high-quality material and seems very durable. It has held up well under heavy use and continues to perform excellently. Number 1. Dixie Chopper Lawn Mower Engine to Deck Belt. This is a high-quality replacement belt designed for your lawn mower's engine to deck application. It ensures reliable power transfer for optimal cutting performance. Crafted with materials that resist oil, heat, cracking, and repeated flexing, this belt is built to last. It's designed to prevent premature breakage and keep your mower running smoothly. This belt is specifically designed to fit Dixie Chopper models 2250, 2344, 2460, 2650, 2750, and 2760 equipped with a 60-inch deck. It serves as a direct replacement for various OEM part numbers, including Dixie Chopper 2008 B100W and 2010 B100W, as well as numbers from AYP, Cub Cadet, Skag, and more. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues or are not completely satisfied, please reach out to us for assistance. Before placing your order, please confirm your mower's original equipment part number and the required belt size to ensure compatibility. What we like. This belt is specifically for the engine-to-deck application and boasts high resistance to flexing, oil, and heat. If you're looking for a belt that can handle the stresses of this critical connection and prevent premature breakage, this is an excellent choice. It's suitable for a range of Dixie Chopper models with 60 decks, offering a robust solution. What people say. This belt is a perfect fit for my Dixie Chopper. The belt is made of high-quality material and seems very durable. It has held up well under heavy use and continues to perform excellently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.